Okay, I'm in my little shop here, having some fun, making some stuff, and you can always look at my Facebook page, Valhalla Knives, Gear and Paracord. If you want to look at some cool stuff that I make. I wanted to do a EDC update. It was a long time, really long time I did the EDC. So this is my EDC. Tobacco. Kershaw Junkyard Dog. One of my favorite knives right now. I really like it. And a sheep. I don't know the brand that I use for some messier stuff. You see glue on the blade there, for example. And then I have a wallet. If you know the emblem, it's fun. And my keys. My keys, I got a small pill bottle. If you don't have to take some medicine with you, or headaches, tablets or something. A whistle. A hockey team badge. A small light. Good when you're looking for keyholes and stuff like that. And my car key. And the alarm for the key. Wait a minute here, I forgot to put something up there. My flashlight. It's let's see. Sorry, I don't got the tripod. It's a cheap Energizer flashlight. I use it in the workshop for, if I drop it or destroy it, I don't care. So that's not much, but that's what I'm carrying every day right now. So and a mobile phone, of course, but I am filming with it now. So it's a Samsung S5, I think, if I don't remember wrong. But so this is me to see. See you in another video.